Hi there, I'm Doug from Beast Wraps, and let's delve into the meticulous process of designing a wrap, where every detail counts. Our primary objective is to transform your vision into reality, ensuring that your vehicle exudes style and professionalism. We kick off by delving into the project details, meticulously noting your preferences and requirements to customize the design precisely to your liking. Once we have a clear understanding of your needs, we provide you with a detailed estimate, transparently outlining all associated costs. Upon mutual agreement, a down payment secures your spot in our production queue, marking the inception of our creative journey together. Our skilled team then sets to work crafting mock-ups, offering you a sneak peek into the envisioned design through design proofs. We invite your feedback and welcome any corrections or adjustments to ensure absolute perfection. Once the design is finalized and approved, we transition seamlessly to the production phase, where precision and quality craftsmanship take center stage. Finally, our seasoned installers step in to bring the design to life, meticulously placing each element with care and precision. From the initial objective to the final installation, Beast Wraps is dedicated to delivering excellence at every stage of the process. From start to finish, our streamlined process ensures a smooth journey for your project. Beginning with defining your objectives, we meticulously gather details to tailor our services to your needs. You'll receive a transparent estimate and secure your project slot with a down payment. We'll then craft initial mock-ups, refine proofs based on your feedback, and proceed to production. Finally, our expert team handles installation, ensuring your vision becomes a stunning reality.
As we wrap up our corporate presentation, join us on this exciting journey.
Connect, explore opportunities, and be part of our success story.